Beautiful Birds by Justin McCary Martin. Chapter 1. Meet the Birds. Eagle. Look! What is that soaring through the bright blue sky? It is a beautiful bird. Cardinal. Feathers. Beak. Wings. Legs. Fast facts. Birds are warm-blooded. A bird's body temperature stays the same no matter how warm or cold it is outside. How can you tell if something is a bird? Birds are the only animals that have feathers. All birds also have two wings, two legs, and a beak. King penguin. Fast facts. Not all flying creatures are birds. Bats are mammals. They have hair, not feathers. Most birds can fly, but not all of them. Penguins are flightless. They use their wings as flippers to swim through the waters. Peacock. Close up. A peacock feather looks like this close up. There are about 10,000 different kinds of birds. They live all over the world. Birds come in every color you can possibly imagine. Chapter 2. Bird Skills. An owl feasts on a snake. Birds have excellent eyesight. They use their eyes to spot food. Some eat plants. Some eat fruits. Some eat other creatures, including bugs, mice, and snakes. Warbler. Duck. Toucan. Parrots. Birds make sounds to communicate with other birds. Parrots can even be trained to repeat words. Migrating geese fly together in a V shape. Some birds migrate. They travel long distances every year. They fly to cool places for the summer and warm places for the winter. Fast facts. All birds lay eggs. A mother robin feeds a grasshopper to her chicks. Many birds build nests. Nests are a perfect place to lay eggs. They are also a perfect place to raise chicks. Chapter 3. Amazing Birds. Marabou stork. Want to meet some amazing birds? Marabou storks have wingspans of up to 13 feet. Wow, that is wider than a bass. Speed charts. A person can run 25 minutes per hour. Cheetah 70 minutes per hour. Peregrine falcon is 90 minutes per hour. Peregrine falcons are the fastest flyers. They can go 90 miles per hour. That is faster than a cheetah and way, way faster than the quickest person ever. Compare ostrich, hen. Ostriches lay the largest eggs of any bird. Ostrich. Ostriches are the biggest birds. They can grow to be 9 feet tall. An ostrich would even tower over the tallest basketball player in the world. Hummingbird. Fast facts. Some hummingbirds are just 2.5 inches long. These special birds can hover in the air. The smallest birds are hummingbirds. Sometimes These tiny wonders fly into yards to spin nectar from flowers. There are so many beautiful birds to see. You only have to look around.